Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For people who are new here and who are watching me for the first time, hi, this is Anvesha. I create videos on beauty and fashion. First things first, I would want to apologize to all of you watching this video who've been following me since last 4 months. I wasn't able to upload since last 2 months is because I had medical emergencies at home. So I'm really very sorry I couldn't keep up with my uploading schedule, but now since everything is fine due to God's grace, I will be catching up on my uploads, and you will see a lot of content coming up soon. By the title you must be knowing that what are we going to be doing today, and yes, I've got a haul for you guys. So I had ordered this like a couple of days, no, actually a month ago, and I had medical emergencies so I couldn't shoot this, but finally we're doing it. It's a Nykaa haul, and it isn't a very huge haul, it's a very small one because I actually ordered what I really needed and there was a good discount going on these. So yeah, this is the box it came in, and the box is in a pretty bad condition since I've kept it like this since the time it's come. But yeah, so these are the products here. Let's dig into the box and see what I have got. So I've got all these in offers, and all the offers were really exciting, and that is the only reason why I ordered these. So first thing what I got is this L'Oreal Infallible Kajal. Surprisingly, I don't find the shade on the pencil, but yeah, it's an infallible gel crayon 24-hour and it's waterproof. So when I got this, when I was placing an order for this one, I got a liner free. So I got the Black Lacquer Super Liner water. This is also waterproof. So I don't remember the price of these, but I'm going to check on my orders list and I'm going to put all these prices in the description box. So the offer on L'Oreal which was going on was you buy any eye pencil or any eye product, you get super liner free. So I got this pencil for myself because I really like the color, and then I got the liner free. The liner is pretty good. I have tried both of these. This is so creamy, guys. This is so creamy, and I really love the shade. And the liner is also pretty good. It's a felt tip liner, but I think it's gonna dry out very soon. This is just one stroke. I hope you can see. It was a very good buy because I think I got in 250 I got these both. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put the exact prices in the description box below. The next thing I got from L'Oreal was the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 24-Hour Foundation. Now the problem is this was, I thought I was in the shade 104 and I got 104. But I am not in the shade of 104. I am 106 or maybe 107, and I don't know why, but I just saw somebody's review on YouTube where she was in Maybelline, her shade was 230 Natural Buff, and in L'Oreal her shade was 104. So I thought maybe, you know, if she's using the same shade in Maybelline, I thought this would be the right match, but it was not. But I'm trying to work this out with some deeper foundations I'm mixing and using this. But yeah, I will definitely buy my shade and again give you a detailed review about it. So with the foundation, what I got free was the L'Oreal Infallible Pro and Set. This is what it looks like. The bottle is really nice because it's like really matte, but I'm assuming it's gonna get dirty very fast. But I really like the bottle. The packaging is really nice. The spray contains 100 ml of product, and yeah, this is how it looks. It is really nice, sleek, and I like the packaging. I am a sucker for black, so I really love it. Moving on, so I got the Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. I really wanted to try this since a very long time. This primer contains 12 ml of product. I got this primer because I have good large pores on my cheek area and a little bit on my nose, but I have more pores on my cheeks and I wanted to really hide them. So I got this primer. I have tried it twice as of now and I absolutely love it. It minimizes my pores. Really like this primer. Next, what I have is this Smashbox Primer Water. This is how the packaging looks like on the outside. It's a normal cardboard box. So this is how the primer water looks like. This is my second bottle. It really lasted me long and I really love this primer water. I use it as a primer, I use it as a setting spray, use it anyhow you want, and it's just gonna work for you. I really wanted this and there was an offer on Smashbox. So I got my baby back. This primer water contains 30 ml of product and it is for 990 rupees. The correct prices will be in the description box below or on the screen somewhere. I'm really sorry. Now the third product which I got was the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. I have never tried this product, so I really want to try it. I've heard a lot about this setting spray and I can't wait to use this. I haven't tried it, I haven't touched it. It was just in the box, so I'm still waiting to use this. And this contains 116 ml of product and I really like the packaging, guys. The grey bottle, it looks like so good. It feels luxurious too. I really like the bottle. The detailing here, this detailing is so good. I really like this bottle. It is a normal cap and the cap is pretty tight too. What I got free with this was this mini primerizer to try, and this is like you can use it twice, maximum 3 times you can make use of this. And this bottle is so cute. It's the Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer Plus Moisturizer, and I can't wait to try this. So that was the primerizer what I got free. Next, what I got free on this Smashbox order was the Superfan Mascara. I had tried this mascara at a Nykaa Luxe store and I didn't really like it then. But when I got this with the order, I have used this twice. And every time I use this mascara, I have always got compliments. Then what I got was a Smashbox lipstick in the shade Dream Huge. I love the Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. I had one of the shades, I forgot the name of it, but I had one of the pinks, and coincidentally or unfortunately, whatever you call it, I got another pink from them. I wasn't, when this lipstick just came to me, I was like, nah, I don't like this shade or whatever. But on certain outfit and certain looks, this lipstick looks really nice. So I got this full size lipstick free on purchase of my Smashbox order. This lipstick is in the shade Dream Huge and I'm just trying to figure out how much ml. I think this is a 4 ml product. Yeah, I think it's a 4 ml lipstick. And the shade, I'll swatch the shade for you. This is how the shade really looks like. It is a very bright pink. It is not my kind of color, but when I apply a lesser amount of this lipstick, the shade is really nice. So when you apply like the lesser amount of this lipstick, it becomes subtle pink. But when you apply one more layer of it, becomes like a light pink color. So this lipstick in general is worth rupees, I think 2,100, but I got absolutely free with my order. So yeah, this is it. Just to sum up this video, I'm going to explain you how I got the discount, what I got the discount, in case if you didn't understand or if I couldn't just tell you. So I got the L'Oreal Kajal, and with that I got a liner free. Then I got the L'Oreal foundation, so I got the setting spray free. Now what offer on Smashbox was, if you buy anything worth rupees 1,900, you get a primerizer, the mini primerizer, and the Superfan mascara free. And if you buy products worth rupees 4,200, you get the primerizer, you get Superfan mascara, and you get a full size lipstick free. So then I thought, why not take the advantage of the entire offer? Instead of buying anything worth rupees 1,900, I spent like 4,200 and I got like 3 products free. So yeah, this is it, and this is why small Nykaa haul. I have a lot of other products which came in and I still have to do a haul. I have a haul on Myntra, I have a haul on Ajio, I have a haul on Smitten, These all are coming your way very soon, and which one would you want to watch first? Please comment down below, so I would shoot that first, edit and upload it very soon. Till then, have fun and I'll see you soon. Bye.